State Forest Department along with Panchayat of Galjibagh plans to wipe out all the illegal shacks encroaching the turtle nesting site at the beach. DCF Varadkar has said that shacks are hampering the conservation and breeding process of the turtles at Galjibagh beach. Department also plans to fence the area and provide employment to the locals only. The shack's demolition operation might be executed by December end if shack owners fail to respond to the notices.
Deputy Conservator of Forest Sanjay Varadkar along with Panchayat ensures that illegal shacks in the turtle nesting site will be rooted out.
Discuss shacks light as fine. And also, Sarkar medal or so माझ्या म्हणणे की शेक बिन जावपाक जायना आमचे फॉर टोटल कंजर्वेशन आमी जेन्ना एक्वायर जातले आमी फेन्सिंग करून चिंतलां तुमचे पंचायतीच्या मदतीन कितें तुमी सांगतले आमी कितें बसून डिसायड करपाचें फेन्सिंग करून तिका आमी इंटरप्रिटेशन सेंटर घालया तिका आमी रिसर्च सेंटर घालपाक जाय टर्टलांक जे ब्रीड करपा खातीर तें हेल्प करपाक ऑल दीस थिंग्स आमी टँक मारून चलय तातूंत तुमी एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळटलें दॅट इज शुअरली जे तुमचे लोकल तेन्ना आतां सुद्दां आमी जे आमचे rescuers asतात सगळे all are employed from तुमच्याच गांवचे आणि कोण ना.
Mahesh Naik, Deputy Sarpanch, has also seconded the initiative of DCF for removing shacks and preserving turtles. Naik says notices will be sent to all shack owners to remove their shacks or else it will be demolished by the Panchayat.
त्याप्रमाणे आमी तांकां नोटीस काडून आमी चडाचड डेमोलिश करपाक पडटलें कित्याक थंयसर तो पयलीं थोडे कितें म्हणटाले की तळपण वेगळोच म्हणटालो पूण आमी आतां आन्सर म्हळ्यार की आमकां तळपण बी तितूंकूच आसा म्हणटकीर तें आमकां तेंका पयलीं आमी लेटर काडटले आनी समज तें आयकलें जाल्यार मागीर आमकां तें डेमोलिश करपाक
लेटर काडटा तुमी पयलीं तेका मोडा म्हण तें मोडना जाल्यार
मोडा म्हण तें लेटर काडटले समज तें आयकलें जाल्यार
पंचायतीचो एक्शन.
Surprisingly, these shacks have cropped up on the eco-sensitive turtle nesting sites, despite a total ban on such activity under new CRZ Act. Babesh Borkar for Prudent from Kankon.
The villagers of Bethora have anticipated that the only ground of Konche Kodar Panchayat might be handed over to the GCA or SAG authorities. They have demanded that the ground should be retained by the Panchayat. Locals fear they will lose the right over the ground if it is transferred to state authority.
This is the ground of Konche Kodar Panchayat. The ground is within Nirankal area. The ground caters to 2 schools and is used for various activities like sports, celebrations. The ground is popularly known as Dr. Lohia Maidan ground. Few days back, GCA and SAG authorities visited and inspected the ground. The word was afloat that the ground will be handed over to the authorities. Locals initiated a signature campaign immediately, raising their claim on the ground. They will soon submit a memorandum to the Panchayat asking it to retain the ground.
Cricket किंवा association किंवा साग जेन्ना खंयचे इन्वेस्टमेंट करता तेन्ना तांचो सगळो सर्वस्वी अधिकार तांकां आसता म्हण ह्या साहजीक आसा ताजे बद्दल आमचें दुमत कांय ना पण हांगासरले लोकांक कितें जातलें इनकन्विनियंट जातलें आनी आमकां आनी खंयच ह्या वाठारान जागो खंयच ना आनी आमकां खेळपाक किंवा आमचे.
Locals also fear that they will lose the right on the traditional ground if it is transferred to state authority.
December to March ending, April ending पर्यंत आणि हो ग्राउंड सगळ्याकूच उपयोगाचो आसा स्कुला भुरग्यांकूय उपयोगाचो आसा 2 स्कुलां आसा ब्रह्मदुर्गास आनी गणनाथ हायस्कूल आसा दोनी स्कुलाचे ते इव्हेंट हांगा ऑर्गनायज करता सो जर आमकां रायट पंचायतीक फूल रायट उरो जाय इतलेंच आमचें म्हणपाचें हेतून.
Prudent tried to contact the Sarpanch but she has no answer to this issue. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.